What up, YouTube fans? This is T at T Productions, and today we have a big ticket grinder for you. Yeah, we got a lot of tickets here. We've got a $10 Casino Royale ticket, and then we've got a $5 White Ice Multiplier, and then we've got a Cactus Cash Word $3 ticket, and then we've got the $2 Chicken Run. Okay, so I'm going to start with the $3 Cactus Cash Word and get it out of the way. This is number 37. If one of the three or more completed words contains a letter with a sun within a sun symbol, the prize doubles. One of the three or more. If one of the three or more completed words contains a letter within a cactus symbol, the prize triples. Okay, so this is number 37. Odds on this ticket are, what are they? 1 and 3, 2, 9. Okay, so let's begin, shall we? Okay, so we've got PA, UX, BY, QF. Oh, there's words down here. WS and Z. Okay, LJT. Let's get all these out of here. RIO. And we have KDM. Okay, so let's see here. EAST, we have an A, S, and T. Okay, so we have those. So let's begin. Let's look for own. O, W. Do we have an N? Do we have an N in this thing? Nope, so we cross this one out. Turnip, T-U-R. So let's see, T-U-R. Nope, no N or no, and no N. So turnip is gone. Let's cross this out, if we can get it to scratch out. There. W-E-A-R, let's see if we have that. W. Nope. That one's gone too, folks. That one's gone. Wow. Dream. D-R-E-A-M. D-R. No E. Okay. Nothing there. Axis. A-X-I-S. A-X-I-S. We do have access. Axis. So we got that word. Evade, E-V-A-D-E. No E, so we get rid of that. Up there. Scrim, S-C-R-I-M-M-A-G-E. Scrimmage. S, no C. So that's gone. Okay, Sandal, S-A-N-D-A-O. No N, folks, so we don't got that one. A-R-M, A-R-M. We do have arm. So we take that word. Nod, N-O-D, no N. So we don't got nod. Lad, L-A-D. L-A-D. We do have, oh, there's 3 words. We do have 3 words, folks. It's $3. Axis, arm, and lad. That's $3. Okay, so then let's see. W-H-O. Do we have that? W. No H's, so we don't have who. T-O-U-R. T-O-U-R-I-S-M. Tourism. Oh, that's 4 words. We have 4 words on that Cactus Cash Word so far. That's $5. Axis, lad, and arm. Overtime. O-V. No V. Okay, so we scratch that one out. B-R-A-V-E, brave. B-R-A No V. Okay, so we don't have Brave. Okay. WHO. W. No, we don't have who. Okay, so Sandal. SAN. No Sandal, so that's already marked off. Atlas. ATLAS. ATA. No, AT. Hold on. ATLAS. We do have Atlas. Ooh. That's 5 words. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 words. $10. Hold on here. Mascot. MASC. Nope. Should cross out mascot. DYNAMIC. D. Nope, we don't have that word. Am I missing anything here? AWE. AW. No E. So we can cross that one out. Cross that one out. Path. PATH. PAT. Nope. So path is gone. Cross that one out. Oh, it looks like we got $10, but I don't get this here. MR. What's MR? That's a weird one. So we've got 5 words, $10. There's got to be more than enough in here. Well, it looks like we've got 5 words. AWE. AW. So there's no ah. So it looks like that got 5 words. I'll have to come back with that. But it looks like we do have 5 words. That's $10. But I wonder what MRE stands for, folks. MR. Where is the... oh, second chance. Oh, that's... no, we don't want that. I don't know, folks. I'll come back to this one. That's $3. Now, we'll do the $5 White Ice Multiplier. Match any of your numbers to any of the winning numbers. Win prize shown. If you win a prize, scratch the multiplier bonus for a chance to win 2x, 5x, 10x, or 20x on all prizes won. And this is number 9. Odds on this ticket are 1 in 385. So, let's begin. Winning numbers are 4, 38, 45, 15, 29. Okay, so let's see what this row is. Row number 1. 26, 11, 34, 35, 36. Okay, so let's see if any of these match up. 26, no 26, no 11, no 34, no 35, and no 36. Okay. Are these prizes down here? Yeah. So the next row is 39, 41, 18, 28, 21. Okay, so let's see here. 39, 41, 18, 28, 21. Let's see here. 39, no 39, no 41, no 18, no 28, no 21. Okay. Row number 3 is, we'll scratch it this way so we can see it. 17, 8, 3, 31, 14, 22. Nothing there. Last chance on this ticket, folks. We have 44, one off. 42, nothing. 9, nothing. 3, one off. And 19. No winners there. Okay, folks. The $2 chicken run, number 76. Scratch each game row from start to finish to reveal a chicken play symbol. If you reveal a truck symbol, that game ends. If no truck symbol is revealed, win prize for that game. Reveal an egg symbol, win the prize for that game automatically. Reveal a corn symbol, I guess, win $5 instantly. Each game plays separately. Okay, so the odds on this ticket are 1 in 276. Okay, so here we go with row 1. Let's see if we make it. Chicken. Chicken. Aw, end right there. Game 2. Here we go. Here we go with the chicken. Chicken. Come on, let's make it. Chicken. Chicken. And, oh, right at the end, a truck. Oh, man, that sucks. Game 3, here we go. Chicken. 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 Ah, another truck. Game 4. Chicken. 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 Dadgummit, a truck. Last chance and last row, folks. Game 5. Here we go. Chicken. 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 Oh, that's the end of that, folks. Well, chicken run did not win. All right, folks, it's time for the big $10 Casino Royale. Casino Royale Millions. Yes, this is number 26. Okay, so each game is differently, and this is going to take a while to scratch. Scratch bonus spot. Reveal a stack of dollar symbol. Win $50 instantly. For 2 bonuses. Blackjack. If any of your hands beat the dealer's hand, win prize for that hand. Alright, and then we've got the slots. Reveal 3 identical symbols in the same spin across and win the prize shown for that spin. Okay. We also have poker chips. Match any of your chip numbers to the house chip number. Win prize shown for matching numbers. Okay, so we're going to start with Blackjack. Here we go. Here's the dealer's hand. What did he have? He has a 10 and a 15. Not bad. Not too bad. It's beatable. So let's go with hand 1, shall we? We have a 9 and a 3. 12. That's 12. So nothing there. Hand number 2. We have an 8 and a 6. 14. Still nothing there. Come on. I should be able to beat this guy's hand easy. Hand number 3. A 5 plus a 8. 13. Come on. We can beat him. We should be able to beat him. A 7 and a 6. Nope, looks like we lose. Oh man, that kind of sucked. We should have been able to beat that 15 easy. Alright, so we're going to go do the house chips and see if we can't match any of your numbers to the house chip number. Let's see what he's got. he has a number 9. Okay, so do we have a 9? We have a 10, a 2, let me move that up for you guys, a 7, and a 4. Wow. Oh, we also have the roulette wheel too. Match your numbers to any of the winning numbers. Win prize shown for the matching numbers. The roulette wheel is kind of hard to do. I'll have to work on that. So let's go with let's do it. Let's see what we get. Okay, so winning numbers are, scratch this big old circle here, 12, 16, 17, and 14. Okay, so we have to figure out, so this is going to be a little difficult because I have to find out where to scratch the numbers and find them. Okay, there's 19, nothing there. 1, 10, 7. This wheel is kind of strange to scratch, folks. I might show up all the prizes if you don't mind. 6, because it's kind of hard to tell where to scratch this. Oh, here we go. 20. So we've got 20. 18. 5. I'm going to turn this ticket around so we can see it, folks. 8. 4. Okay, the roulette wheel didn't look like it won. Nope, nothing there. Okay, so we don't got a 12, we don't got a 16. Let's just scratch everything so you can see all the prizes. Sorry, folks, but that's what it's going to be. No matches on that. Okay, so we're going to just spin 1 on the slot. I'm going to turn the wheel, turn it around so we can scratch this all together and see what we got in spin 1. We have a kite, a moon, and a piggy bank. Nothing there. Spin number 2. We have a bar, crown, and a ring. Spin 3. Key, coin, and key. Spin 4. Lemon, safe, pot of gold. Spin 5. Heart, balloon, cherry. Spin 6 down here at the bottom, folks, is a bell, ring, and a balloon. Oh, we also have the dice game. If any of your rolls add up to 7 or 11, win prize for that roll. Odds on this ticket are 1 in 4. Okay, so I forgot to tell you guys that. Sorry, my bad. All right, spin number 7. We have a diamond, a banana, and a banana. Spin 8. We have, what is that, a gem, diamond, bar. Spin 9. Piggy bank, orange, melon. Spin 10. Clover, gem, melon. Spin 11. Money bag, star. Spin 12. Pot of gold, clover, bell. Nothing there, folks. Okay. This is getting rough on this ticket. Alright. Let's see what the bonus. Let's do the dice. 7 or 11. Roll number 1. 5. Roll 2. 4. That's a 10. Roll 3. 4. And 5 is 9. Roll 4. 2. 3. Okay, folks. Let's see if we can find some stack of money, shall we? Wishbone. And a bank. Okay, folks. That's it. This $10 ticket did not win anything. It looks nice. It was fun to play. Like, subscribe, share, comment. T@T Productions will see you again. Have a great day. See you later. Well, folks, this is T@T Productions again, and I am back after figuring out the Cactus Cash Word on this ticket grinder. The Cactus Cash Word is actually a $30 winner. That's right, folks, because I have one of the 3 or more completed words contains a letter with a cactus symbol. The prize triples. So I have lady, plus I've got 5 words, so that's $10. So this is a $30 winner, folks. Like, subscribe, share, comment, and T@T Productions will see you again. Have a great day.